Thank you for joining in, and for today's video I have a floral bookmark here that I am sharing. This is very easy and fun to create. It's also really great for practice if you're just looking to pass some time, or like I said, practice some florals and some easy leaves that we're going to do here. And I chose some bright colors for the summertime. So right now I am using an opera pink, and then we have also a golden yellow, an orange, and for the leaves I am using a Prussian green, which is like a blue green. So if you have Viridian, that'll work too. And with the orange here, I'm just creating a few easy roses. Start off with small strokes in the middle and make them a little bit bigger as you go around. And on the bottom here, to balance it out, I'm going to add another one of those pink flowers from up top. And these are very easy. I'm just, with the pointy part of your brush, you're just going to like press and release. And then I just add like a few, just a flick of the wrist, as they say, just a couple strokes here and there for some loose petals. And I decided to go back in and add a little bit of extra paint in the centers. And you can really see how on the bottom one there's nice flow. You can feel free to let it dry like that and leave it alone, or I know some people like to blend it out. That's just a personal preference there. I like to leave mine alone because I really like the designs and different textures that it creates when it spreads out like that. And then I switched over to, it may be a little hard to tell, but this is the golden yellow. So then we have the 4 big petals here, and then we're just going to add a few smaller ones in between. I'm just going to let that first layer dry up just a little bit while I work on another one down here on the bottom. And when you're done with your florals, you're going to move on to the leaves. And for this one, you're just going to look around and fill in some of the negative space. And then you can put it close to the tape and have smaller leaves and bigger leaves, because the tape will provide a nice white border. And that is it for today's quick video. I hope that you did enjoy it, and you can feel free to practice and do some of your own bookmarks. I hope this gave you inspiration, and I'll see you next time.